Hey y'all, I'm Emma with Centric, here to bring you another week of Live Better tips. Let's continue our journey of financial growth while enjoying the holiday season. Intentional gifting. Make a list of thoughtful and meaningful gifts for loved ones. Focus on experiences or items that align with their interests and values. Home cooked delight. Plan a budget-friendly and delicious Thanksgiving meal by cooking at home. Share recipes and cooking duties with family members for a collaborative feast. Post-holiday plan. Prepare for the aftermath of Thanksgiving by freezing leftovers for future meals. Utilize discounts and sales to stock up on non-perishable essentials. Don't forget, you earn double rewards points on all your purchases when using your Centric VISA Credit Card during November and December. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.